Right, what I'm going to do here is just show you how to change the details of a standard object in Salesforce. Now, there's not a lot you can change with a standard object except the names and the different labels. So if you wanted to go in more detail, you'd have to create your own custom objects to get a bit more specific. But for this, just open up the Setup tab. So click on the gear icon, open that up in a new tab and use Quick Find just to search for rename. And under user interface you'll see the rename tabs and labels. This will bring up all of the different options that you have, so all of the different objects. If we use accounts here as an example, you can see that you can rename the tabs, sort of the overall name, the singular and the plural, or you can go into a bit more detail and rename all of the different sub items that are in there. Once you've renamed anything, you just click save and that will be saved.